Good day everyone, my name is Chong with number matric A20A1306. Now our group will start present the business plan of the bubble tea shop. The bubble tea shop is our company name by the slogan is solve everything with a cup of bubble tea, which means we hope our customer can enjoy our drinks while remaining happy with their lifestyle. The picture shows below the location of our company, which is located at Kuala Lumpur. We choose this location as our business because it is a busy area and is surrounded by a few of hotels, restaurants, and universities, which can attract more teenagers and tourists that travel in Malaysia. In industry profile, the bubble tea shop became a business that was started by 4 understudy in UMK, and we become partnership in the business. The organization chart of the bubble tea shop includes Chief Executive Manager, Operation Manager, Finance Manager, and Marketing Manager. Business of characteristic. By the first is the bubble tea shop provides a variety types and flavor of beverage in our business, such as brown sugar milk tea, cappuccino, chocolate, classic milk tea, and so on. By the second, we are using fruit syrup to control the sweetness of our beverage, and it also can enhance the growth in our beverage when we are serving our beverage to our customer. In addition, we also provide a website for our customer so that they can have a delivery service to allow the drivers to deliver our beverage to the customer. The next is the mission, vision, and objective of the bubble tea shop. The mission of the bubble tea shop is to meet the expectation of the customer by making beverage that are high effective and the high quality available. We also have a responsibility to keep our beverage safe and protected. The vision of the bubble tea shop is aimed to provide our customer with the best quality beverage in the shortest time possible, as well as maintain the highest quality of the drinks. The objective of the bubble tea shop is aimed to diversify our beverage for consumer, so that we can always guarantee that our products and service in our store are always available and we can have an advantage over competitors in the key area.
Next, we move to target customers. We plan to concentrate on young adults, students, tourists, families, and holiday makers. Also, people aged between 16 to 40 years old are most targeted to visit our shop. Next, target market. Our shop is located near busy intersections like schools, offices, and transportation hubs. Therefore, the majority of our customers are commuters, so they spend their lunch breaks or downtime by purchasing it near their workplace. Next, we move to analysis on main competitors which nearest to our shop. There are Bubble Corner, Cha Time, Gongcha, and Cool Block. These 4 bubble tea shops have their own strengths and weaknesses that we can identify from this analysis. Next, we move to marketing strategy. Marketing strategy have 4 P's. The first is product, then price, place, and promotion. We see product first. Instead of being a complex technology, bubble tea is just a very straightforward beverage to which we add tiny tapioca or other fruity flavor bubbles. The majority recipes start with a tea base that is then blended or shaken with fruit or milk. In addition, the use of this product is similar to that of the other hot or cold beverages like coffee, tea, and smoothies. We also sell food items at our bubble tea shop that go best with the drinks. Next, price. We set the price of our product using a cost-based approach, so that we will set a standard price of 7 ringgit 50 cents for a cup, which is roughly equal to the of our competitors. Customers who request additional toppings will be charged 1 ringgit. Since we are new to the market, we give our customers the best deal possible because we value our business. In addition, we also use pricing strategy called market penetration. Furthermore, our bubble tea shop is located at number 44 Jalan Desa Malo, 4/1, Taman Senda Kanot, 56,000 Cheras, Kuala Lumpur, which has malicious capital and can draw more tourists from other nations, as well as more Malaysians of all ages and races to enjoy the beverage in our bubble tea shop. Next, our bubble tea shop will include e-marketing and advertising in our promotion mix to spread the word of business and our product. We also use creative design to attract our visitors. Our shops also consider online booking and food delivery to our kindful customers. For promotion strategy, we implement the pull strategy. Pull strategy is a marketing technique that involves heavily investing in consumer advertising and promotion to persuade end users to purchase the product.
Sketch of business operation plan. This plan is cafe plan that is currently running for bubble tea shop. There are several sections that have been divided in the layout of cafe. The streamlining of the cafe section is to facilitate the daily work of our employees without distraction of scattered layout. Production schedule. There are two items in the table of production schedule, which is daily production and production by workers. Capacity planning for daily production. Monthly demand for our cafe is 3,000 cup for 30 working days per month. So 3,000 cup divided by 30 working days equal to 100 cup per day. Capacity planning for production by workers. 100 cup is daily production. We have 4 workers for barista. So 100 cup divided by 4 workers equal to 25 cup per workers. Next part is flowchart of production and operation process. This flow can provide eco-friendly environment. Second, retain customer satisfaction. Third, provide different type of innovative product as per customer's treat and preference. And last is serving best quality and affordable to our customers. List of workers for operation unit. Every work position that we have in the bubble tea shop has their own duties, responsibilities, and tasks when they are working in our company. We implement the list of the workers to describe who is responsible for performing a particular sort of work, how that work is to be accomplished, how frequently that work is required, and how it links to the mission and the goal of the company. So this is list of work position. Chief Executive Manager 1 person, Operation Manager 1 person, Financial Manager 1 person, Marketing Manager 1 person, Barista 4 person, Cashier 1 person, and Cleaner also 1 person. Next is list of cost, overhead and operation. The first is table overhead cost. For overhead cost per month, we have electricity bill, which is 500, water bill 370, telephone bill 120. So the total cost per month is 990. For overhead cost per year, repair and maintenance, which is cost 700, promoting and advertising also cost 700. So the total for cost per year is 1,400. List of machine and equipment. Any mechanical, electrical, or electronic device created and employed to carry out a specific duty and achieve a specific outcome is referred to as machinery. The phrase encompasses not just the machinery's fundamental component but also any adjunct or attachment required is for the fundamental component to carry out its intent function. So, in this table, we have 3 bubble tea blenders, 2 shakers machine, 1 fructose dispenser, 2 cash machine, 2 refrigerator, 2 air condition, 2 lamp set, 20 table and chair set, 500 custom bubble tea cup, 1000 fat straw. and all of these lists were total about RM 28,790 and 68 cents. For operational budget, there are fixed assets, monthly expense, and other expense. First is fixed asset. This include furniture which is cost 7,000, machine equipment 10,000, and cafe fitting 2,000. Next is working capital, which is salary is 11,500, utilities 500, internet 300, rent 2,000, electricity bill 300, water bill 200. And last is other expense. Business registration fee, which is cost 400, license 250, repair and maintenance 500, telephone bill 70, promotion and advertising 500. So total for fixed asset is 19,000, monthly expense is 14,800, and other expense is 1,970.
For our bubble tea shop, projection sales of weekly is 3,798 ringgit and 50 cent. For monthly, 113,955,000. And last, for yearly, we can project that our company can do sales for 1,367,460 ringgit. Next, we move to financial plan. Our bubble tea shop's implementation cost schedule has totally 910,660 ringgit. Therefore, we use about 300,000 ringgit as our company's capital and take a loan for 610,660 ringgit for 10 years. Moreover, investment fixed asset includes the purchase and capital improvement of tangible fixed assets, from which sales and transfers of fixed assets are subtracted. In addition to other tangible assets, land and water regions, buildings and structures, machinery and equipments are examples of tangible fixed assets. The next is capital turnover. The formula for capital turnover is total sales divided by shareholders' equity. Our bubble tea shop has 1,367,460 ringgit of sales and 333,000 of net worth. Then its capital turnover is 4.106. It's look good for our shop. The next is return on capital. The formula for return on capital is net income divided by debt plus equity. Our bubble tea shop profit equals 155,707 ringgit for a year, and the total value of the shareholders' equity interest in the company equals 333,000 and debts equal 95,800 ringgit. The return on capital equals 36.31%.
That's all for our PMC and Business Plan Group presentation. Thank you.